Custom 3D printing is manufactured using digital technology material printers, commonly used in the mold manufacturing industry for manufacturing models. It has gradually been used for direct manufacturing of some products, and there are already components printed using this technology. 3D printing is also applicable in fields such as automobiles and aerospace, and it has played a very important role. The use of customized 3D printing technology will reduce traditional processing methods. This treatment method obtains the workpiece by employing a new and added treatment method that removes a portion of the material from the workpiece that is larger than the workpiece. Another advantage of 3D printing is that it does not require the use of traditional machining machines and molds, taking advantage of the advantages of 3D printing. The utilization rate of materials is improved and the manufacturing time is shortened. "3D printing technology is mainly suitable for the manufacture of single batch and small batch product samples, which is conducive to the introduction of new products. The manufacture of parts with diverse or complex shapes, and the design of mold processes, product design, short-term manufacturing and replication processing, process evaluation, and assembly inspection for 3D printing are also suitable for printing materials that are not easily processed. This technology is the most common molding method and plays a very important role. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription and consultation to get more industry information.